هلو جميعا، ويلكم لنيو سيشن اليوم لايف على الطاولة. احنا هلا بدي كنت سيل اوبورتونيتي الصراحة، بس ما لحقنيها باللايف. شوف أنا بس نتأكد من اليوتيوب إنه معنا. هلا we have a good sell opportunity. إذا وصل 32611 32611 إذا كمل طالع على إله. مستنيين يعني عم بيكمل طلعته، كنا عم نحضر إذا بينباع منيح، ما رجعنا شلناها. ما صبنا إياها باي ذا واي، رجع طلع. هون هيدي خلصنا منها. اوكي تو ميك شور كل شي ماشي all is good. اوكي okay, so now we have to go this support here at this level. This resistance is a good one if it keeps going up now at this level 32,611. The next one will be 650 at 50 pips. Now it's resuming up. We still have 1:39 seconds, 1 minute 39 seconds. Okay, it's moving. Good. This is a 5-minute candle. Oh, 1 minute 23 seconds. I think this is the resistance level. It should hit like this level and retrace. Okay, my first sell at this level. Whoa, perfect. I closed it. My first sell was 3259.40, 592, and take profit 32588. It's nothing, 5 pips. Okay, but that's okay. This is the first trade. Okay, let's see. I'll I will try another thread and see what happens. Okay, at this level maybe. Let's see. The market is still going up, but this is the first few seconds from the 5-minute candle, so it should retrace. I will wait until we reach the above level, which will be a good run before retracing, especially on the 15-minute candle. We still have like 9 minutes to close this candle. Let's put all these levels. Okay, this one, and of course this one. See if do we have any news. Today it's Wednesday, like 4 p.m. Day this guy will testify. Okay, never mind. So the 5-minute candle is almost reaching our next resistance level. Let's see. Okay, I sold the 0.11,000. And I closed it perfect, right? I closed it again, second scalp, 32634, 30,634 and 23. This is 8 new pips. So we have so far 12 pips during the scalp of the Dow. We have 2 minutes for this candle. Let's see if it will retrace from this level or not. So far we had 2 profitable trades on the Dow. And if the market keeps going up like this way, we will have a new sell very soon. 1 minute 45 seconds until this candle closes. Let's see. I will be waiting the close of this candle, knowing that we could retrace from this level, but we took our trades. Now I will just wait to see from what level it will retrace, because I think that next level is a good level, and this 5-minute candle is being so big, and we will have a good retracement. Hopefully it will hit the next resistance level, because here you have a clear traffic to this level. But I think here it will be a very good sell, 32,684. So far we had 2 profitable sell, around 12 pips in scalping Dow. Like here there is a level, but this is a minor level for me. Even though it retraces from this level, I prefer to wait the 32685, and I think we will reach it. Let's see. Let's see. Yep. Yes. 17 more pips. 17 more pips. Huge move up. This is a big move up for the Dow. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. New candle has opened now. Yeah, no shadow. My first sell here, I sold my first sell at this level. This is the first move of this 5-minute candle. It's moving up. At this level, I have the first sell, 32,660. We should see some retracement. But my next sell will be here at 32715. We should see some retracement, but if we do not, then we will take our second sell from the next level. Let's see. So far, big move. I think that we must go to 32,658 to retrace at least, or create a shadow at least, before moving up. But if it moved up without retracing, we will manage. to have our sell at this level. We still have 3 minutes to close the 15-minute candle, and look what 15-minute candle we have. This is the 15-minute candle. So if this 15-minute candle closed bullish, that big, most probably the next 15-minute candle will retrace before moving up again. Huge move. GT is still moving up. There's no trade on this pair so far. We don't have a trade on this pair. We had an order and we deleted this order. GBP USD is still trying to go up. Two minutes left for the 15-minute candle and the 5-minute candle to close. Let's see. Whoa, it's racing. Perfect. I closed the trade. Also 32,660 to 32,650. 10 pips. 22 pips scalping the Dow in three trades so far. Now I will be just waiting this minute to see what will happen with the 15-minute candle. So far, 3 scalp trade winning sniper entries. As you can see, most of our trades on the US 30 since 2 months till now, since Feb, are sniper entries. And there are 100% profitable so far over the whole 2 months. So we are out of this trade. 15-minute candle is preparing to close. So let's see where we will have this trade close. I hope it will reach this level 32,716 and even the bigger one, which is here 32,750 before it retraces. So far the close is bullish, which is good. Let's see if it will push up to this level to be perfect with our shadow. Perfect. We need more up. Yes, exactly. Perfect. One new cell on Dow at this level, 32,694. Perfect. We need a retracement now. Let's wait. I'm waiting this retracement. Or else I will sell my second order at 32,749. Because this is a minor resistance. So that's why I go half lot. I don't go all the lot that I want to go, but this is the major one, resistance. It's supposed to retrace from this level. So far, if you check the 15-minute candle, you still have no shadow and the market is still going up. And this is the second level to start. Yes. Look, look, look. Wow. This is a big move. 32543, 32743, 200 pips. No retracement so far. Okay, perfect. One more move and yes, very good levels here. Okay. I'll delete these just to have a clearer view. Jesus is up, GBP is still up. Yes, this HF still here. 25 seconds to close this candle. Oh, profit. I closed this trade. Perfect, guys. Perfect, perfect. Amazing. So again, wow, 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 wow. This is a big move down. Big move down. Perfect. So I closed also this trade, four trades, four winning trades so far. And here am I like 32,693.40. And we close at 32,684, which is 9 pips again. Now this is a rejection, and I think if it turns and close below this candle, we can see the market moving down again. Ten, 12, 22, and now we had like 9 pips, 32 pips on Dow, and now it should resume down. It should resume down. Let's see the 15-minute candle. Now this is a rejection on the 15-minute candle. Nice move. 4 profitable trades so far. Listening and what we took on for this year. So it's like one trade that we so far it's been four trades on the Dow. All this do this is the was busy. So there's no shadow. It went up. We sold at this level. We couldn't sell at the second level, but we placed down and we had the profit, which is good. Um, let me check something. So far, the market is. We are done as a first step. Let's check the second step. Now this can be resume of the move down for the Dow. News and yes, we will wait. It's moving up again. Let's see. If we have a new move up, we can go again. So let's see, it seems moving up again. Let's see. Now we have the market is so far is having some rest, but so far it's good. I sent it, by the way, on Telegram. Some 4 trades that we did, and I did some more trade, more risky, but I did it. And I divided my lot to 2. Instead of doing 0.02, I did 0.01, 0.01. So it's the same. Okay, so this is so far US 30. These are for today. So far 1%. This is on $1,000 account. This is 1%. 1%. Like every day we are having like this 1%, especially on Dow and using other currencies. And this is why our session mainly is on New York session, on the opening of the US stock New York session. For people living in GCC or the Middle East and Lebanon mainly, starting next week, of course, when we adjust our daylight saving things, and we'll get back to 4:30 p.m. GMT plus 2. Now we are 3:30 p.m. here. So starting next week, we will get back to 4:30 p.m. قال لك انت عامل سلة جي جي. Jean, we didn't get into this trade. We put an order, but it didn't hit this order, and we deleted the order. You sold it by yourself? Oh, okay. Actually, guys, please make sure something to just يعني, as much as you can follow the system. Actually, it's whoa. If it's break this level, let's see. Yes, I might be on a buy. If it breaks this level, we have almost clear traffic to 57. So you have to wait until it breaks 149.43. But be careful, guys. There's a reason why I put the trade there. Not 95, not 97. Because we need always make sure, of course, there's nothing guaranteed 100%, even with me. But we go at as much as possible to higher confirmation, to higher possibilities. Like this was the support line. You have to draw it with the shadows, guys, okay? With the shadows. Like look, this level, even it's lower here if you take these shadows. But let's say like we have multiple hit here, 1, 2, we have the 3 here, we have the 4 here, we have the 5 here, and we had the 6 here, or we didn't have it yet. Once it broke here, we have to make sure that it breaks below the 92 even. Okay, so make sure to be very, very. If I was trading like few months ago, few years ago, I would take this trade. I would take a trade here, expecting okay, it did a reversal, so it's moving down. It will continue to move down, but with time you will understand. This is why I say always you need like 6 months to 12 months to master your emotions, not to understand how double tops work, candlestick works, how these are very easy. These are in the program, in the course, all the system is there. But to master 2 things, the other 2 pillars, pillar number 3 and pillar number 4, you need to master your emotions during trades and risk management. And this is what creates the money for you. Study alone don't create money. I had a lot of studies, but it didn't create money. When you are working emotionally under pressure, this is how you must manage. We wanted to benefit like this move from the from GBP JPY. We couldn't take this 200, 300 pips. Why? Because of emotions. Even me, even in, okay, we are making profits, but I wanted to take this like from the top. When I had this gap here, the double top, look, we missed all this move. We took a bit 40 pips and things like this, but you have all this move here because of this shadow. And after it retraced the first time, I would expect the market going up again. For me, the best scenario after the weekend was to open this trade at 150.84, moving up a small shadow, and then retrace down, and then I will sell at this level 150.83, and to keep a runner down for the 149. But as the market opened the 70 gap, and I was checking the 4 hours. And look at this 4 hours. It did first the retracement, then the second time it hit post break and it was moving up. Here also I was waiting again to sell like a big sell, but I just sold like 40 pips here. But once it retraced, here the candle showed a possibility that the market could move up. And you know that GJ has been moving up for the last like 2 months. So I didn't sell at this point, knowing that it's a retracement. And here I didn't sell, I was sleeping because it was like 3 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. the move. But here we sold and we closed at 80, like 40 pips. We didn't get the move like to go to 49.08. It went like 4 hours there. And now it shows a retracement. Let's see how much it could retrace from the move from yesterday. Now it's getting to 38.2, which is also a support level 149.40. Let's see if it will break it or it's just a small retracement. Look, this is on our advanced system, by the way. Normally we go into a buy in this. As you can see, we have a divergence. We have a big divergence here. Look, this is divergence here and here. We have a reversal here, and at some point 148.97. This is not a place to sell, this is a place to buy. 148.97 after breaking this level. Look, this level also broke it like for the buy here. This is an impulsive entry retracement. It made a support, and here also 149.08 was a good buy opportunity. But as the bigger trend is moving toward retracement, we are confused about this. And let's see the GU. We are still in the sell in GU, and I'm still waiting this 36.15. We already put our take profit, so waiting for this. Let's see. So now up again. Guys, 30 minutes still up. This is a good resistance level at this point, and second one is above. Let's see. Now, power is still talking maybe. I don't know how much it is affecting the market move, but يقول لازم بره عندنا now. our 5-minute candle closed. Let's see, GJ is still here. Dow هيرجع. Dow is moving down again. Fifteen candle moving down. Minute candle also. This is also a 5-minute divergence on the SI and CI. So if it goes below this level 2680, we might resume 64641, and then maybe resume the whole move. It depends also on the news. So we're waiting. DJ steady. It went down like 20 bits from the moment you asked me down. Yes. That's why I told you not to close it before it moves above 149.44. So you never know. If trend is down, if move is down. So we need a confirmation for the buy. See, moving up again. So let's see. New teaching. Now the market has gone down a bit. have to wait a bit. So if you have some studies about currencies, you can send, so we can check if there is other trades that you can do. Actually, I think we had like euro dollar opportunity from yesterday. EU, nothing here, no. Down. Let's see. Gold. What's gold doing now? So still, as usual, uh, moves up, down, fast, and then we have sideways. And now we are in this sideways. Let's see on our chart, 4-hour chart. All this we trade from the 61.8, but it's still weak. Like we didn't have so far the big move. And I'm still waiting the big move to, especially if it breaks above this resistance level 1765. Let's see. Gold 5 minutes. I can't see, look, I can't see any opportunity to sell here easily. Like even if it breaks this support, we have the other one, and this is like, it's not like clean area that we can move, and you know, this might be from this level it breaks below 1726 to 1725, 50. It's a very small range also. So actually to have sell on gold, we need to, look, this is a support, oh, this is support. We need to bring below 1723. So we might have almost clear traffic to 17.5, like 30 pips, 40 pips range. So we just go down, your cat, let's check your cat. Your cat is having a big move down. Fingers, standard, standard. So 148, 40, 148, 11. See. US30 we need this break. This break 32677, 32677. No volume in the market so far. For 1 hour of US session. Actually, already have the first 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and then the market comes down. Then we move. Yesterday we had a huge move like at 8, 9 p.m. I think on Telegram trades. If you remember, some people yesterday. Only on Dow we had like 1.2%. This like it was like at 9:50 p.m. London time. There are some trades. So all this was nice. Also USD after the trade. This is how all this move was at night. In addition to the trade we had on GBP, JPY that day was so it was a good day yesterday. So far today also. So not that big, but it's profitable. Possible sell at 0.94 USD CHF. True. And this is very important, USD CHF. Uh, not just reaching this level, 0.362, 0.94, and it will be much stronger if we have a confirmation, like it hit this level and then it starts to turn down, breaking this 4 hours. So uh, 93.4. Okay, maybe it could be also at 93.73. It should retrace soon. So 0.9372. Yalla, soon we'll get a new mic, guys. Soon we'll get new mic special for podcast and we will use it. So we are done with this issue of sound, hopefully. Hopefully, I always say hopefully. Let's see. Dow Jones. Dow. You have to wait like a big move now. No, of course, I wouldn't sell at this level because okay, there is like a rejection level at this point, but tapping many times on this level could resume the up move. It will be more risky. Usually, when I do the sell, especially like sniper entries or sell big move up or big move down, and then expecting this candle to move down. So having like Pascal 10 pips, 15 pips, it's not even to get it like for 40, 50, 60 pips because you never know, maybe it won't reach it. It's just small rejection. This is why scalping on the S30 is hard and you must understand how this index works. If you don't understand how this index works, uh, you will get into a trouble. Maybe sometimes you will get your sell, you will wait a bit to have more, and then it will move up. You get another sell, it will move up, and you will have a bigger loss and a bigger loss. And sometimes it keeps moving up. So and then you are afraid. You are like 10%, 20% drawdown in your account. So even you must know when to get out, when to have your stop loss or your hedge waiting for the US to move down again. So this is why I always ask you to not to try to sell or to work on US 30 alone before you really master like for 6 months uh, you master how the move. You can do this with us and you must master this move because it's very profitable, but it can be really harmful. Okay, so you have to be very careful while trading with the Dow. So yes, 30 Swiss. This is done. That's why I'm not taking every single opportunity. Okay, I just take the opportunities that I see. Uh, it's almost good to take. We had, for example, this. I could have taken this with 2743 and then it moved down. No, I just kept this with 2715, waiting for this. Yeah, you have to be disciplined while working on the Dow Jones. You have to be disciplined, or else it might hurt. Seriously. So sellers on GBJPY, be careful. Don't let that this candle is moving up. Breaks and close above 149.44. Then make a shadow or wick or support keep moving up. So we might have like this is 1 hour chart. We might have a move towards 150 and even more to 124. This is the move from yesterday, but this is not confirmed as also it might be like 38.2, just 38.2 from all this move, and it happens. Usually the market moves in waves. So this level 149.45, by the way, indicators, so it will be very crucial. And you must check this level very carefully to check if you will sell or not. Or sorry, if you will close your sell or not. Yes, so still wow, as if someone paused the market. Pause. Uh, let's check silver. Okay, silver here has the support. Neutral one. After all this move down, hitting the first support at the retracement, like 25. Wow, 520 was a big move. It's like 50%. Now $28. There's something wrong with the sound. Yes, yes, you are right. Let me try something to see if you stay like test, test. Oh, can you hear something? Much better. Okay, perfect. So now you can hear me well. Okay. Uh, if I tell you what's the problem, you will be shocked. I just removed the mic. I don't know, maybe this is the computer mic. This is not anymore the external mic. So I just removed the mic and I Okay, perfect. Perfect. Sorry, guys. Actually, to be honest, I didn't know that there is a mic, internal mic in the. This is not the laptop. This is the desktop PC. So I didn't know that there is a mic in this. Maybe in the camera. I don't know. Oh, this is maybe a cam. Okay, the mic in the camera. I thought that it won't work if I don't put an external mic. So it seems like there is in the camera. Oh, this is the mic in the camera. Okay, so we care about the result. Okay, here's the dial moving up again. Hopefully it will move much more up here, this level. I'm still convinced that you will have a big move down in the Dow because this is a big move up. There is no like 30-minute retracement so far. So maybe this level, it retraced it all. We might see a retracement from this level, maybe, I'm saying. But at the same time, if it reaches this level here, so like a big move towards the seventh. Okay, so I think let's wait this level. It will be a good selling level, 32,800. It will be a good selling level if we reach this point after all this move. 32,550. If we move like 300 pips with no correction, most probably we should have a correction in the next hours. Yesterday it reached 32,750 and we traced from there. Yeah, let's see today. Let's see, guys. 4 hour candles are super up. Look, it retraced it all this move down. One, two, three, reversal, one, two, three. So most probably, look, this is a wow. This should be a good resistance level. Look at the 4 hour. This should be a good resistance level. And starting 32,800, we must start selling. The second one, 32,830. If it moves up like this, one way, it will be perfect. The US 30 USD on TradingView, US 30 USD, Rwanda, what's the difference? It's the same like the trade with the 30. 3,763. It's 47 here. It's not that thing. It's like 20 pips difference. Let me check the other one. Here's 73. For the same, it's 20 pips for both. It's the same. The problem is that why do I love trading like 4:30, like on the New York Open? Because we have the big move, we have the volume. Woof, once the market open, the next 15 minutes, 30 minutes, we have a volume. At this level, even though it's moving, there's no big volume. But when the market starts to close, like it's like 9, 10 p.m. here in Lebanon, so we can see also the market moving to close positions and things like this. But this move is nice. We should see soon a replacement. DJ, be careful from DJ sellers. US 30. New 5-minute candle. I hope this candle will keep going up now to hit 32,800 without retracing. So far, it will be better. 30. Our chat room, guys, don't forget our chat room. There's a lot of studies during the day. Don't just during the night. Concerning the TV, it broke the trend line. Do you recommend to sell? Actually, yes, but not from the day before, because this is the sell is here, this rectangle. Okay, it retraced and then moved down from 137.67. You should be selling, and this is support closing today. For me, the sell is not done yet. After it breaks 136.76, we have another opportunity, and I sent it on our Telegram because we are on the sell. Our take profit is on 136.15 even, knowing that it could resume to 136 or 135.90, but we will close our trade here and wait for a bullish reversal. Why? Let's check here. We will go to the 1 hour and 4 hour chart to see it. We have a good support level. This is the rectangle. The full target of the rectangle will be 136 almost. And if we go to the daily, we will see that on the daily chart, we have GU is still moving down. If it opens and kept moving down in this candle, so most probably will hit 136.15, and hopefully it will do it like tomorrow. It's Thursday. Hopefully it will do it tomorrow, because then we will understand after all this down move for this week, Friday could be a reversal day, like closing positions, getting profits from the short selling and making some profits. Then we will have another buy here. After we close the sell, we take the profits of the sell. So far the sell, we have like, we sold on 138.70, so we have almost like 720. We have almost like 150 pips in profits. So we will just wait to our take profit is 136.15. So in this way, we can secure 250 pips. We secure 250 pips in profit. We close it, we add it to our balance, and then we wait the buy to buy again and move up with our buy positions that you already have, uh, making the move up, okay, to end up with this trade. So many people, I think, as I can see, they still think that you are like, wait, we are still on the 4:30 p.m. our live stream on YouTube. This will be like next week. We'll get back to our 4:30 p.m. GMT plus 2 Beirut time at 4:30 p.m. because I follow the US market. So once we had like 2 weeks difference between the daylight saving timing in US and in Lebanon, so we had to move our live stream to 3:30 in Lebanon time. Okay, so to keep and every country can see like which timing is equal. Okay, GBP, JPY still moving out. After forming this support, it was almost like I don't want to say obvious, but at some point it was meant to retrace, especially that breaks this level, but of course it didn't take a buy as the bigger trend now is having this retracement, so the market could move down. Let's see. US 30, no volume, guys. Even though the US 30 is moving up so far, but there is no volume at this level or at this time. Maybe we'll have it on 9:10 p.m. Lebanon time, but hopefully now we will have some moves. Let's see. Oh, it's reversing. Let's see this range. This is on the 1 minute chart. Sometimes I just go to the 1 minute chart to see things better. USDC HF better to wait more to sell since it hit the resistance level and looks like it will pull back. Even on the daily, it looks like it might prepare for a double top. What do you think? Actually, we were talking about, let's wait not to miss the US 30 move. Uh, let's see, 32, 800. We'll get back to USD/F. Okay. Any reason why USD is getting stronger? Uh, Actually, because of the stimulus that now, of course, Power is testifying for all the week, talking about the stimulus. They are on the short term, the USD should get stronger because they are giving like money for the companies, for people, and people are asking. There is higher demand on USD, so the stimulus has a short-term effect that it creates uh, more demand on the USD, especially because of the people who are sitting home, people not working, unemployed people, due, of course, to the Corona, COVID-19, and the pandemic. And usually, when you have a stimulus package, this is free money, guys. And for me, for the longer term, it should make the USD weaker. But yes, long-term inflation. But on the short term, it gives like a push for the USD. Okay, this is a bullish candle close. I think now this candle should hit our main sell point. Come on, please, come on. There's no volume. Whoa, move up. Trading is like hunting, guys. Hunting, so you have to trade. There is no opportunity, of course. You don't really trust trade, so you must wait. Then you're approaching. There's of course plenty of difference between what you can see on the screen and what we can have for our trade. Okay, my first sell here, maybe it's my fifth sell today, but first sell for these two levels. And now it moves up to 22.85. We will have the second sell. Let's see. Will we have a retracement for this candle? If we have a retracement for this candle, then we can close on profits. Okay, so 32,784.25 so far. So let's see. If not this one, we'll get the next one. Okay, so let's TJ is preparing to move up, by the way. TJ. 1 minute left for this one. Hopefully, in this 1 minute, it will reach 6,825. Then you will have the, what you say, the full falling. It's falling now, it's falling now. 10 pips, 10 pips so far. But I will try to keep it as I think we are on a high level. So let's see how much we can have from this trade. Maybe we will have a good profitable trade. We are still in this candle. Wow, wow, we are approaching 20 pips so far. Perfect. And I closed it. Done, 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 done. Our fifth trade today. Wow. So we took it at 32,784.25 and we made like 32,767. So as we can see, we had like 60, 84, 68, 67, 7.5. So we have like 16 pips in this trade. 16 pips in this trade, okay? 16 pips in this trade. Congrats, guys. Hopefully that people that you could take it because you were waiting for this. I don't know here in the community if someone took it. 5 profitable trades, 5 winning trades for today. Yes, always, George. So that's simple. People who tell you that you cannot go into sniper entries and win, this is one of the biggest example for whole 2 months. We are going in the US 30 for sniper entries, scalp, and you are hitting it. Okay, but the problem is most people don't know how to go sniper entries, don't know where to take these trades. That's the only difference between people who trade in a knowledgeable way and people who are just trying to go into the market knowing nothing. This is the rejection 32,800. Might resume the whole move up, maybe. I don't know. We are out. In all cases, we are out. And this trade, guys, the last trade we took, it was like we took it like 507, 507, and 509. 2 minutes, 2 minute trade. We are almost like 20, 32. Oof, we are almost 50 pips today in Dow Scalp. Scalping Dow almost 50 pips. Let's see, we should finally start retracing, guys. I think this 1 hour candle, wow, I don't know if this 1 hour candle or the next one, but we must start retracing soon. This is a gray area here. Like even if it moved up again to reach this level, like 32,825, which is on your platform, it is 32,800 on MetaTrader 4. So we should see like the market retracing like a big one, like 100 pips maybe. Let's see now. This also can be just a shadow or wick form, and the market could resume moving up because it just did this before, like in the 15-minute, this retracement, and the market did not really retrace. But it's now the up move is not like before. We're having like more and more confirmations about divergence being formed now on 15-minute. And trading Dow on 5 and 15-minute, it's important. So now if we can resume this down, can reach like 32,500, 751. The reason why you did not wait till it reached the support 32,768. Yes, of course. Here I'm scalping the market, Mosik. So when I'm scalping the market, my target is to secure profits. I'm going into sniper entries. Sniper entries can be usually like risky, and it's against the trade. When I trade Dow by scalping it, I choose how do I say? I choose like resistance level or support level, mainly strong one, and I just scalp it for 10, 20 pips. Sometimes when it hits, it go directly down, so we leave it. We leave it to see how much it will go down. But it depends. You can leave. For example, you can have like two trades. The first one, you close it on 10 pips, and the second one, you put the stop loss on the entry point. Maybe one time, two times, three times, it will hit your stop loss on take profit, but on your entry. But in the next, maybe after five times, maybe the market will keep moving in the same direction you sold or you bought, and then you will make much profits. Okay. Uh, my target here on the live session to secure profits. Okay. Sometimes in my accounts, I keep some runners. Okay. But during this session, people who are joining this session, they are at some point making free money following what we do, but at the same time, I cannot stick to a trade that might reverse on me and I keep like managing this trade for the whole night until the next day. Sometimes it happened with me. So I need to close trade during the live session, secure profits, secure money, and then every person can manage the way he does. But for me, when I close, for example, like we had five trades today. Five trades today. means like we did almost 50 pips. Instead of doing one trade with 50 pips, we did like 5 trades with 50 pips. Okay, so each trade almost between 5 and 15 pips, which gave us an average of 50 pips for 5 trades. And that's it. I call it a day. I just close, I go, and I keep doing other things, not just sticking to the market. You come, you do your 1%, half percent, sometimes 1.5, 2%. You do what you do, and then you go. This is, for example, what we did for today. This is updated one we did for today. This is on $1,000 account. This is, for example, 1.1%. So yesterday, this is the currency account, which is almost like 36%. We have this sell on GBP USD. We are approaching to close it and go again with the buy to close this gap. This is yesterday, for example. Only in Dow, I did 1.2%. Only in Dow after commission. I'm talking after commission. Of course, if I talk before commissions, we are talking about like 1.7%. But after commission net, because what we got is this. So here are the trades. This is in our community, how we communicate. These are the trades. And for example, yesterday on the using the account, our live account for currencies, we sold like GBP, JPY. We did like, and we had the losing trade with GU. So the total was almost 0.7. This all these trades are on a $1,000 account. So if you have a $10,000 account, you multiply by 10. So instead of 0.02, you go 0.2. If you have $100,000 account, 100K, you go 2 lots. Okay, so when I do in one day 0.7, 0.8% almost on currencies, and then using only Dow, I do 1.2. So I did 2% in one day. I call it a day. I stop. Today, for example, like, wait for a second. This is not bad. Like today, for example, when I do like 1.1 or almost 2%, I call it a day and I stop. So you have to know when to stop, guys. Okay, you must know when to stop. And this is something very important for your risk management. Okay, Dow is still moving down. Okay, Badia, I should do this. Yes, of course, you can do it. Everyone can do it. And I'm here in these live sessions to learn how to scalp. People who are following us on YouTube and here people, you guys on with us in the community, what I do, I mainly focus on how to secure profits for you and for our community. Okay, and people who are watching us live, I will be so grateful, and guys in our community, if you can share this live stream, because I think we are the only people here in the region that we have this live stream during the New York session. Like Raja have the live stream in the pre-New York session. We work on the Dow Jones maybe, uh, like live trades alone. So this is something really nice. There are people who are doing the London session, people the Asia session, but here we have like the New York session, and people can really benefit from this. I mean, stop after 3 to 5 good trades, of course, but of course, the main focus should always be not to overtrade. If you overtrade, you are risking, you are increasing your risk to lose what you have won. Okay. Uh, at the same time, if you lose like 2, 3 trades in a row, you have always to call it a day. Also, sorry, to call it a day and to stop, because if you keep trading while you are losing, you are over trading and making some revenge trade. So you must stop and then start again. Okay, on my account, I keep some runners some point, sometimes no. But during the live stream, all what I care about is to close these trade with profits so we don't get stuck in these trades, okay? And this is the GJ. As you can see, it hits the support level that we were talking about, resistance level, and now it's resuming down. Hopefully, it will keep going down. This level, we took this level like on sniper entries. So bad we didn't leave it. Let's see if it will keep going down. GU. So we have this 32,720. Breaking this support, if we reach the support and we break it, we might go down to 32,692. Okay, I closed my runner. Okay, I didn't tell you that I have a runner, so now I closed my runner, my last runner. Took two trades, 0.01, 0.01. We closed one during the live, and I closed my last runner now. So now it's done. And I will send it to Telegram and I will say, now I have no other trade open. I have no open trade at all. Okay, this is to be sent on Telegram. Like for now, I did 1.7% for today. And this runner, I'll show it to you guys. This I sent now, this. Now I'm finally 1.7% after commission using the Dow for today. This is the last one I just closed. The timing is still like 6 here 25, but it's not here 525. So 32767, 32712. But of course, you are not responsible for this, as during the live I closed here the last one, but it's done for today. Today my day is done. Okay, so now the Dow can move down or up. It doesn't really matter for me. Let's see. GBP, JPY still here, US 30. Let's see how much the US 30 can fall or can move down. if you have any study, guys, any question you want to ask, please feel free to do this, to do it before we close this live stream for today. We are almost 2 hours, and as you can see, guys, for people on YouTube, I'm leaving this live stream for you to benefit the most. So I'm not cutting it after 1 hour as I used to do. So of course it will be a bit delayed, especially for DAO scalp trades. But if you listen to the levels that you are putting, you can manage with us to take these trades. And this, of course, on Zoom and with our community, with our Telegram channel and chat center and things like this, of course, you will have full coverage for this. But at the same time, you can make profits and you can understand how we are working using the DAO, Scalp, and other trades. Let's see USD CHF, USD CHF. So USD CHF, oh, actually it didn't really hit the resistance, but 74.60, you can have yourself. Actually, it moved a lot. You have to, let me check. 1 second. Yes. The only problem that, yeah, you can't sell USD CHF without stop loss, because after all, let us do like a real study on this and you will understand my point of view. Here you can see that it had a huge run, big run. Like it went up from 0.8872 to 0.9375. It's like 1,000. Wait, no, sorry. 88, like 500 pips, 500 pips. It went like 500 pips. After going up bullish for 100 pips, all the, let's say on daily, okay, it retraced like 23% and more, okay. Usually it should retrace 38.2 if we have like an Elliott wave. I don't know if you trade it with Elliott wave, but let's do all the study with Elliott wave. As I can see, we have an Elliott move here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, maybe this is 4, and maybe we can go up to the fifth wave. Let's see and check how this is moving. 1 second, okay. So how this is moving. Okay, here it retraced exactly 61.8, and this is the ultimate retracement for the wave 2. So we are in an Elliott wave. We are in an Elliott wave session move. Then let's see how much it hits 1.61 in the extension. 1, and whoa, it hits almost exactly the 1.61, above, a bit above, but it hit it. So the move is clean. The Elliott wave move is clean. Now retracing this level, it should resume down to 38.2, but sometimes if the market is very bullish, so it can just retrace to 23%, and it went like to 35% mainly, okay? So it can be a retracement. So here, if you want to sell for the short term, like 10, 15, 20 pips, you can do it, but I don't really advise to do it without stop loss. Okay, you have to put a stop loss above this high, because if we break this level, and I will go to the Fibonacci extension again to see after this wave 3 and wave 4, you might go to the fifth wave to the 61.8. So you might go to 0.9518, and I'm talking on a daily basis, okay? And this level will be a good, by the way, resistance level. At this level, to be honest, and I will put like reminder, at this level, if the USD CHF reach this level, I will be selling at this level. Okay, so 0.95, I will put it at 0.9510. 0.9510. Okay, if it reached this level, I will be selling at this level. But here, this is a bit dangerous because it's retesting the resistance. It's not the first time. If it was the first time, yes. For example, this is a real support level, by the way. We have this, look, hit before this level and even this one. So this was the perfect, after all this move up, this was the perfect sell, like 0.93, 68, 65. It would be amazing, like 100 pips at least. But hitting this again with the bullish, with the previous bullish candle, this is a reversal bullish candle on a daily chart. This is pure reversal bullish candle, and this is the resistance area, the first resistance that breaks it. I don't know if it will retrace or make a bigger shadow before it moves up, but mainly I think we will keep moving up with the dollar USD CHF, of course, with the possibility on the 15-minute to retrace. So if you are targeting like this 15 pips, you can sell once this support is broken. Like you will have like this range, scalp trade, of course. You will have this range here. Okay. You can have like, this is almost clear traffic, like it's 11 pips. It's only 11 pips, okay? And if it does like double bottom, so maybe it will retrace more. So that then you can increase your sell. But at this level, I won't sell personally. Okay, this is a support again, but this is a bit risky for me. Or if you sell, you need your stop loss. Okay. Oh, here GJ is forming again a support. So, wow. So this time GJ, if it breaks 149.45, we might see it moving up again. So, but if it breaks the 149.30, then we can see a move towards 149.20, like 10 pips, also skull trade at this level. Okay, US 30, also US 30. This now is creating like a minor resistance level, but if it, let me see, this one, breaking above this level should push it up, as it can be just a retracement and it can move up again. You're welcome, Tarek. So, and it can move up again like this, this and this, closing up, it can move again up. So we still need the confirmation from the Dow Jones to move down. So far, it's just a retracement for me. Just retracement down. We have two levels here to pick, this and this. Let's see which one it will break before. Most probably as the market is moving up, I expect the Dow to go more up, but of course I always more bullish. I always focus mainly before taking any decision. I focus on the confirmations. I need a confirmation. I'm more a confirmation guy. Even when going into a sniper entry on the Dow, I take a confirmation. If there is no confirmation for a sniper entry, I don't take a sniper entry. Okay. So this is it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed our live session and you made some money, you made some profits. This is what we care about. And hopefully the most important part, that you learned more and you increased your skill, you increased your skills in trading. Okay, so thank you for watching us and being with us. We will see you tomorrow, also 3:30 p.m. GMT plus 2 GMT time Lebanon. I don't know if we are now GMT plus 1, I think, I don't know. So mainly it's for 3:30 p.m. Beirut time. See you.